sorry we're way behind. That is not our corn, but our corn is about 5 days behind that. We're out taking a leisurely drive on the 66, since I don't have grossly oversized tires on it like the two little ones. It's a little slower ride. And behind us, yeah, we got 3 hay wagons. Let's hook them up and let's get there. One of the hay wagons had a gravity box on it. That took a little while, longer than I expected. So Brad's got, I don't know, 10 acres or so raked, maybe more. So let's get to the field and put some twine around some grass. Well, we're here at the field. Unfortunately, I had to drop the other 2 wagons back there. No, I didn't want them to make the turn. We're gonna bale this last. Yes, we dropped the wagons. Unfortunately, I felt really cool pulling extra wagons back there just to have them ready. And going down the road, what, 16 foot times 3 plus the baler and the tractor. We'll round because of the hitch length, we'll say 20 feet. So 60 the baler. We were solidly 80 feet long. That's longer than a double hook semi with the tandem trailers. But that made lots of people happy. Whew. So yet again, this field we had all the family help. And well, I got my Uncle Jim driving for us today for a little bit. We can slack off 2 of us on the wagon instead of 1. Be like all those photos on Facebook where it's like, you didn't have a summer if you didn't grow a bale in hand. I got 4 guys stacking a wagon.
You do this all day long with 2 guys. I mean,
yeah. I mean, we're debating on do I kick it up a gear. I'm afraid though this field isn't the super smoothest if we go a gear higher. Let's keep it at a nice, comfortable pace. Think we should wash the baler? Yeah. It's a little dusty.
I'll wash it,
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, if it's not washed, can't get water in the bearings. Oh, yeah. There's like a feather duster to it. Yeah. Yeah, so we have the 6610 baling. It's wonderful, I guess. Seems to be doing okay. It probably handles it a little better than the 28 does, but it's just fun to be underpowered, you know? This thing still sips the fuel pretty well. I just brought a little bigger tractor because I anticipate pulling 3 full wagons of hay home. Let's get it all done in one trip. Yeah, we got started a little later today. Our wagon we had to convert back from a gravity box. And the box was full of roasted beans. Had to move those, take the box off, put the bed on, blah, blah, blah. A couple hours later, what I thought was a quick process, just took forever. Well, we're in between wagons right now. We got that one super full. 7 high times 5 columns of bales. And there's 30, roughly, well, yeah, there's 35 except for this front one. It's hard to stack them 7 high from the bale chute. Yep, we got 66 out. I mean, there's not a whole lot of baling action because, you know, I have time to walk around and shoot video right now since we're gonna call this one closer to the road. Which, funny thing about that, see, it's always nice to farm by the road. We had somebody stop and they decided they wanted me to also mow and bale their field. Just the area where we're at, you see all the houses. Now those got, you know, subdivided pretty small, only maybe an acre or 2. But in some places there's a house on 10, 15 acres maybe not even that much. And the people don't want to bush hog it. They think it's, you know, a little wasteful. So they like to see somebody get some use, and they're happy to have somebody just bale the hay off. So that's what I might do. So yeah, hay seems to find me. To find row crop ground is a needle in a haystack almost. I'm almost debating on whether to go all hay, just for the fact I can find hay a whole lot easier. I mean, it'll be small, 7, 5 acres at a time, but that's fine. mow a couple of those in a day. Day 2. If you look off to the north, yeah, there's rain up there, part of that cold front. It's supposed to get us. There's been mixed reviews. That's not good. Do you have the high, low, and neutral? The sensor does work. Yeah, I know. Safety features. Yeah. Woo! Tractor doesn't have lights, but the safety sensor works. So yep, we're back at it, 66. I bailed until it was dark. At least today we didn't have to, put one of the decks on the wagons. Like I said, sorry, a little busy, didn't get that on video. We did have to unload, and we had to do some other stuff. Picked sweet corn this morning. Had to load that rototiller. Yeah, I didn't even get to use it, I already sold it. Oh well. I got enough wiggle room in the holes there. Okay, let's go. Woo! Hey! I'm gonna complain about rain some more. And not that it's raining on my parade, it's mudding on my parade. What looked like this, all of a sudden turned into that, because I don't know what happened. The tractor just sunk in. There's the property here, I think they've got something wrong with their drain. I don't know if there's a drain tile or the sewer dumps out or a septic system. But yay, mess, woo! So we're gonna get a tractor and chain, we'll pull it out. I know, the 66 doesn't have rice tires. Maybe that would have saved the day. Now you can see where we had started, and I had tried to rock it out, put it in 7th gear, let it rip. And then I stopped and the baler just sunk like a rock. Gonna have to put one of those super extra giant flotation tires out there.
Hello guys, we're trying to get a chain on. Gonna put it through the drawbar frame, I don't know what you call it. Jacob's hooking up the chain right now. It looks like the only good spot we'll be able to hook the chain to on the 66 is probably the axle, which we're not crazy about. He's doing it right now. There's not really a front weight mount on the front of this tractor. There he is putting it on. What's the action?
Well, we're gonna wrap up this lovely day. It's gotta get home. I feel like 1 or 2 drops. The rain's been falling apart. I think the clouds look worse than anything we're gonna get. Is that a snake? What is that? Ah, it's a snake. We bailed. We were chasing a snake around the field. I wonder if we finally got him in a bale. That's kind of dark down here. And yep, that's a snake. Right through the crack. That's a bad day. I mean, everybody's had a bad day. We got stuck. The snake got bailed up and chopped up. Man, we were getting a couple sprinkles, but we'll be safe.